one on each side. Just enough to kind of getting these bushings put in. I went ahead and put the first one in on this side. You can kind of see what it looks like. Notice it's nice and clear here. This one's going to be a little more of a challenge because I got to back that up. Hopefully I'll be able to put in the press over here and push it down. This fits it absolutely perfectly. So as you can see, right on top. So the first bushing again gets me started. I'm able to use this ball joint tool. Hopefully this gives you a better view, just like so. And there it is, all nice and exactly how it should be. Of course, at that point, we get to put these in. And that's what is the challenge about putting these uppers in. Because now, not only do I have to support this to push this bushing in correctly, which I do not have, so I have to support on the bottom side and then push that bushing in. Hopefully, I'll be able to transfer that over to the hydraulic press. If you're wondering what bushings I'm using, the Mevotech Supreme MK7276, those are the upper control arm bushings. Alright, so where it works in on this one is, these A-arms do have quite a bit of flex, so you've got to have something between them in order to use a press like this. I've got it wide open, worked great on my first one. Wanted to go ahead and try it out before I spent a whole lot of time trying you guys, but I got a couple just square bars I had laying around scrap. I'm going to stick in between here, one on each side, just enough to kind of, what I found is 1 3/4 socket fits just real nice and snug, holds a good part right here. Once you do that, now, go ahead and take your bushing, get it started, and when you drive your kicks off, it won't go too deep, or when you put in your stabilizers between the two, if you'll put this bushing in first, you won't have to worry about anything pushing down on it. So then I take my cup off of the press. So once it's on, you can see they're nice and pushed up here. Got good movement here. Of course, once I put this thing in, torque these down, I'll be able to put these in, torque those in, and it'll tighten everything up against my screws and kind of lock me in place. So there's the uppers.